Okay, so what happened? We tried a lot to take the platform ticket, but then what happened? Scanner was not working, didn't work. So the reason we didn't go inside the railway station as well. When I talked with the counter, really, sorry, ticket counter. So that time I had been told that yeah, we can't say that you will be able to make vlog videos in the railway station, inside the railway station or not. But yeah, few things we would like to tell you. And they told me, suggested me that it would be better because here we are selling ticket, so we don't know related to anything. It would be better if you try to you know, take help of policemen. Okay, so all police were there, were many policemen. Okay, but they were inside the railway station, inside the ticket counter. Okay, sorry, inside the railway station. So यहाँ पे एक थंबनेल के लिए फोटो खींचेंगे, थंबनेल के लिए फोटो खींचेंगे ना,
फोटो खिंचाएगा यहाँ?
हाँ
तुम खिंचाएगा?
यस.
चलो मैं खींच देता
So
हूँ।
actually there I want to take a picture for thumbnail.
मेरा भी खिंचना है।
For thumbnail I would like to take picture over there. हाँ,
तो जाओ उधर बैठो तुम।
दोनों यहाँ पे ही हो जाएगा यार, इधर में वीडियो में हम काट देंगे. Come. So actually here,
जैकेट थोड़ा देखा रे।
huh? Jacket is asking me to remove the jacket. He wants to wear. Okay, so first it's visible but not here. It's not visible. It's visible. Yeah, you can see right now. Finally, we have reached in railway station. I mean Tirupur railway station. See, you must be. It's not visible here properly. यार मेरा से नहीं हो रहा visible.
क्या?
Visible नहीं हो रहा.
मेरा मुंह मिलेगा?
नहीं ऐसे ही रहो, मैं इसको ये कर देगा. ठीक है. So finally I took for thumbnail this. I took this one picture for thumbnail. Okay, so see, there are a lot of people. I mean, they are standing. They are staring. But I don't care anyone what they are thinking about me. It's my passion. I am crazy for learning this language. That's why I have chosen to do like that, making vlog videos in public place. So that's why. But earlier I was afraid a lot while making time. So that time I was thinking that, oh my God, what people will think about me. Like that I was thinking. Always I used to think, but this time I don't think anything. Don't care. I know that yes, I'm crazy for learning this language. So that's why I have chosen this, like this kinds of activities to do. Okay, factor I have chosen. So it is a bike parking place. Definitely, if we came by bike, so we would you know, park our bike in that parking place. Okay, so come dear, we will go from that side. We are crossing the road. Okay, so we tried a lot, but we didn't get it any kinds of help from anyone. But it's okay dear. I know that at this time very difficult to say to you that.
इतना डर तुम्हारे लिए
क्या हुआ?
वो उधर गिर गया एक दिन से।
हाँ?
एक दिन उधर गिर गया, उधर जा रहा था ना?
हाँ.
गिर गया।
पैदल जाते थे?
हाँ।
इसको बीमार होगा. One person actually, my friend, he was making me understand that while going time, a person he falling down. So that's why, like, my fire. That's why. And at this time, there, as I showed you over there, that how is the crowd in platform as well, in ticket counter. There will be many crowd over there. Okay. Still now, actually recently train arrived. So some people they got up from the train. So that's why you must be getting now many persons are coming behind us like that. But yeah, finally now we are going to have something because we tried a lot, but we didn't get it any kinds of huh?
ये है रे?
No. as you know, I'm in Kerala, so here till now I was not told, and even now also I am not told related to anything. See, there is a parking place 24 hours. Oh my god, everywhere it has been written like that. Okay, so here I would like to tell you, dear, there is a condition. If I had a bike, I would park my bike in that parking place like that, isn't it? So I can't say that there are homeless people, they are sleeping on the road. I don't know if he has money or not, but struggling. See, behind me there are, okay, like that. And okay, पैदल ही जाना पड़ेगा हम दोनों को.
पैदल ही जाकर लेने से जाएगा मेरा.
ए यार, इसमें आएगा यार. Okay, I will have to edit this thing. Okay. जैकेट पहनेगा? जैकेट?
नहीं पहना तो गर्मी लग रहा है.
इधर से गिराएगा. Okay. So again we will have to go, but we don't have money. So kindly, if you have money, so kindly send us. We have money. Just I was kidding to you. I have money, but we don't have cash. Cash we don't have, isn't it? So that's why we are struggling. हाँ?
चलो हम मोबाइल उधर पे
किधर में? उधर में जाएंगे? उधर में जाएंगे? उधर में जाएंगे?
नहीं ले रे मतलब कि चार्जर बिगड़ता तो किसी के चार्जर लेते नहीं करते कहीं चार्जर बिगड़ते ना.
Okay, so finally we are coming back from the railway station. Okay, but we didn't get chance to enter the inside. But right now we have planned to visit different place. Okay, so keep watching. That would be very interesting on this video. When we started recording videos as well, I was talking. Maybe within 5 minutes I talked. I forgot to record this video, isn't it? But it's okay. Many times it happened. Maybe yesterday I was making videos over there also. Like I started speaking, I thought that this video is being recorded. But when I observed about my phone, that oh my god, I forgot to click the button. Started like that. Okay. So at this time also it happened like that. So finally, as you know, if you have watched previous videos, then only you can understand about me that actually where I am. I'm in Thrissur. There is a jewelry shop, and there are many persons. Crowd is there. And I will enter the crowd. Go inside the crowd, try to speak what people will think about me. Because sometimes I'm feeling that I became crazy for learning this language. And in railway station also there are a lot of people. They were staring me again and again. They were staring me. And here also people started. Oh my god, what I will be told. I don't afraid that what people will say about me, that I'm doing my work. Let them think. पिएगा?
तुम बोलो ना हम देंगे पैसे.
हाँ तो लो फिर.
कौन लेगा? कौन लेगा? तुम बोलो ना सिर्फ मेरा हाथ तो क्या है?
चाय चाहिए. जी.
दाम भी?
तुम लेना है तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक वगैरह लो. So my friend, as I told you that when we were in railway station. उधर check करो. Because there in railway station we tried for like at that time our phone pay was not working properly. Now I think it's working now, dear. Oh, it's 10 rupees उसको बोलो कि ये लेना है. इसके बाद उसको पूछो कितना पैसा हुआ, इसके बाद मार. Okay, so finally we are going to have something. And when we were in the railway station there also, we wanted to take ticket. Okay, so there we tried a lot, but there our Google page was not working properly, so that's why we were not given any permission to enter the inside the railway station, isn't it? So as I told you previous time that there we had it many kinds of foods. I took I think previous time. Again, I don't want to take the name of those are food, but right now one of my friends like he wants to have something over here. क्या लेगा? ब्रदर के लिए कौन सा ब्रदर?
वो एक गुलाम है, ये लेगा ये लेगा।
अच्छा वाला दो को लेंगे फिर मेरा दोस्त को भी देंगे. Because where we are living there are many students are there, because while coming time that time I had been told that just try to purchase something. I did try to purchase something because we don't have money, so it's my responsibility always time I'm spending time with them, so it would be better try to क्या लेंगे? ये सब तो मिलता है यार डेली. हाँ वो सब मिल सकते.
ये सब बर्गर में देगा।
हाँ
अब ये नहीं बुला रहे हो, टॉफी बुला रहे हो।
toffee are we are getting actually these are things we are provided.
डेरी मिल्क
Okay, we are provided daily. So we want to take it. I don't know how much they will charge it for taking that one thing. क्या लेंगे? Actually, finally we are going to Colding. So which one?
पेप्सी, स्प्राइट,
Sprite. Which one
स्प्राइट
you
लेगा।
want to have? Yeah.
तुम कौन पिएगा बोलो?
Sprite, tea.
तुम बोलो।
I would like to have tea, dear. One tea.
टी?
Yes.
एक टी दीजिए। एक छोटा ठंडा दीजिएगा, ठंडा छोटा वाला दीजिएगा।
10 rupees, I think.
मैंगो नहीं दूसरा दीजिए ना। कैसा लगेगा यार?
अगर दे दीजिए.
वन पीस
One piece one.
वन यार वन एक टी कितना
This one we purchased. I don't know it is good or not.
कितना 22 इधर मार
It looks like very small, isn't it? But we
भैया
purchased.
भैया
कहाँ चाय दिला दो ना हमको. So right now also I am waiting and I gave order to shopkeeper, but till now I was not given. I am waiting for that. I think that area I'll have to go. Try to something. Order दे दिया. Okay, so finally you can see that how we prepares the tea. And here also I think we can use it passive. Okay, right now whatever I have gave order to shopkeeper, so everything would be in passive, isn't it? So right now he will give me tea, isn't it? But we no need to say like that. In that case we need to use passive. Like that I will be given tea, like that. Isn't it? But yeah, many times if you try to do practice related to passive, then only you will be able to make sentences in any cases. But one more thing I would like to tell you over here, that don't try to use by again and again, isn't it? It's not listenable properly. And I think we have done okay, so finally I was given. By standing over here I'll try to make it videos. So okay, I'm going to check it how that person prepared the tea. Sugar, they have added much sugar into this tea. Okay, so usually actually this one I don't know dear how I used to drink, how I used to have this one tea. Like always done whenever like there also everything we are given. Okay, but my friend also told me try to have another thing. It's very hot. Okay, it's very hot. It will take I think more than 5 minutes to finish it. You can see there are many people. They are just wondering, taking some things like that. Okay. So here I think I'll have to stop making vlogging videos. So only for few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. because now this one I will have to finish it tea. I mean, it's very hot. Okay, and here I don't know what I'm understanding that people can and they were staring me. Okay, so they must be thinking about me that is not part of India or that person he comes from there. But don't try to observe about me that by saying to me that that person comes from not part of India. But when it comes to speaking, oh my God, in front of them, I'm pretty sure at that time no idea which kinds of confidence I'm having, and it's I can't express that which kind of sentences as well, which kind of confidence right now I have. पहले मैं बहुत डरता था, बट अभी मैं डरता नहीं, मैं डरवाता हूँ. क्या डायलॉग अच्छा था ना?
अच्छा है, अच्छा है। बस मेरी उड़ी मारेगा ना तो अच्छा जाएगा।
Yeah, almost I have finished it. I have finished it almost. Okay. Yes, hi. YouTuber. Okay. I'm asked, yes. Come man. Come. Would you like to say something? What? Would you like to say something to my viewers?
Tamil.
Okay, in Tamil speaker. Okay. Okay, actually that one person wanted to say something, but due to I asked that person that could you please tell me, would you like to say something? But he was unable to speak English language like that. I called to him that I'm a YouTuber. I told to him as well. I made him understand that I'm a YouTuber. Kindly subscribe my channel like that. So he was also very excited to watch my videos. So over there, I also told to him my YouTube channel name. Okay. Oh my God, it was very funny moment at that time.
तेरा चैनल है जो फॉलो करवा रहे हैं।
Okay. वहाँ से शेयर कर दो ना,
शेयर करते हैं
वीडियो से, हाँ, YouTube से.
ठीक है शेयर करते हैं ठीक है ना
Okay.
नहीं फॉलो करेंगे उसको मार मारेंगे
हाँ, चला MB भर के देते हैं क्या?
क्या बात
Okay. So what happened there were a lot of people as I told you that when I was having tea also over there. Okay, when I was having tea at that time there were looks like very educated person were there. Okay, because by saying to them what I have observed at that time, because they looks like very smart, they were looking like very smart by their dressing, by their stance. That's why right now I'm telling you that they must be educated, isn't it? So enter the insight in front of them. I started speaking. I started speaking over there. I was studied. Oh my God. Every person started asking me to, oh my God, you are speaking very fluently English. So could you please tell me that what do you do actually? What do you do? What are you doing at this time in Kerala? Like that I told to him that no dear, I'm not doing anything. But yeah, I do work in a dairy farm. You must be aware because you are one of the best viewers, one of the best subscribers. You must know about it. हाँ उसको बोलो फॉलो करेगा. हाँ
वो फॉलो करेगा बोला है चैनल दे दो
हाँ उसको बोलो तुम्हारा दोस्त को भी शेयर कर दो.
हाँ उसको भी शेयर करना बोला टेंशन नहीं लो हम है ना
ठीक है. Yes, like that and inspire it. Oh my God, there. But what I observed over there while talking to them, they were unable to speak, man. They were not speaking very fluently. I was speaking better than those people. Even though right now also I'm telling you that I'm speaking better than those persons when I had session with them. Okay, so it is a benefit. It is a benefit I'm having that when I try to make vlog videos talking to someone like that. But I know that I know that very well if I had taken classes from any institute in my previous days when I was at home, when I was in college, so that time when I was studying at that time, definitely, I would be speaking very fluently. But what I have observed as well, what I'm telling you that I didn't take any classes from institute. Without taking classes institute, right now I'm that level. I have that kinds of confidence that I can elaborate, I can talk to anyone like that. That side. Okay, my friend suggested me to make videos over there, so we will try to go there, try to make it vlog videos over there. I don't know, I will be told or not. Hey man, any police come. If any policemen come, so we'll be told. I think they will tell us something. We will not go inside the. There we will not go here. We will not go that side because I don't know. Okay, so see, finally we reached here. Oh my God! Could you please tell me that what is the name of this one? कहाँ है यार ये क्या भाग गया यार वो
क्या हुआ
स्पाइडरमैन था
इधर
यहाँ पे. Okay, so finally we are here. I'll try to keep my phone over here. I will be told anything. Okay, so finally I have kept my phone on that one, not a tree, that one is iron. So over there I have kept it, and behind me you can see that one is a railway station, Thrissur railway station. I wanted to go inside the railway station. Okay, but what happened here, that's I don't want to take any kinds of risks, isn't it? I don't want to take any kinds of risks because I know that because last time on on January in 2020, in the year of 2020, at that time what happened, without ticket I went to railway station. Okay, there were many people with me. Okay, so they were not told anything because at that time, as I told you, there were a lot of people, but I was speaking a lot with policemen. Okay, so over there they started to they arrested me. I was arrested as well, told that you are speaking much. So what happened? Anybody is coming? No. Okay, so because over there I was told, I was arrested as well, told that without ticket, how you dare it come inside the railway station like that. Okay, I was told. So it's okay, somehow I managed over there. So here you can see my friend here, like he's talking to someone, and you can see that one actually, it's a railway station. Recently this road constructed, I think. I don't know I'm able to can I make it pronunciation or not, I'm pretty sure. Okay, if I had taken classes from any institute, any good institute, so definitely I wouldn't make any kinds of mistakes related to pronunciation. Okay, but still I am in that level that I'm able to make right pronunciation, I'm able to do it. But what I'm observing about right now about me. Okay, so right now what over there mentioned, okay, and train is, I think, recently announced that train is about to arrive. I don't know at what time train will arrive. And come here, we will go that side. Okay, so I would like to go there as well, try to make it for thumbnail. Okay, yeah. Yeah, बहुत दूर देखा है. It is a very dark, It's very dark. My face is not visible properly. I wanted to take, photo. Wanted to take photo for thumbnail. Okay, it's very difficult. So I think, okay, it's okay. I will try to take picture tomorrow or day after tomorrow because I'm not going to upload today. Okay, so here I would like to tell you, dear, that okay. So one more thing related to passive, and these days I am much focusing related to passive sentences, because what I feel that passive, if you know passive, then you will become very good speaker. What I am observing, because there are many YouTubers, there are many co-learners, always time they are talking in active voice, active. Okay, but I am very different. If you have observed about me that how I am speaking, which kinds of sentences I am using, you will get it: conditional, causative, active, tense, modal verb, as well conditional. So these are things definitely each video will get it. You will get it. Many kinds of sentences I have made it, and right now also I have used it. Okay, if I were at home, so definitely I would be celebrating Republic Day with my friend, with my family, like that. Okay, so okay, what you want to do, dear? What do you want to do? Tell me. What do you want to do? Selfie. ठीक है, for selfie लेते हैं. Actually, that one person wants to take selfie, so that's the reason
5 or 10 minutes I will have to stop making vlogging videos because it's getting dark.